Good morning, Bimmers! So today, I'll be dealing with a bit of DIY content on the 2008 to 2024 BMW X6 oil service light reset. This guide is for all models of the X6. I mean, it wants to be working on all generations. So let's crack on and get into the procedure. Alright, in this section, I will show you how you can reset the oil service intervals in the 2008 to 2014 BMW X6 or E71. So here's the way to reset it. Step 1. Put the key in and press the start button twice without putting your foot on the brake. Step 2. Hold down the dash button on the very left bottom of the dash, and it should give you different menu options. Step 3. At this point, you can cycle through by short pressing the dash button and get to Engine Oil menu. Step 4. To reset it, you need to press and hold the dash button till you see Reset comes up. Step 5. Hold down the dash button one more time until it's reset along with the new mileage, and you're done. Next, I will walk you through how to reset the engine oil light on the 2015 to 2019 BMW X6 or F16. You can also do the same thing with other service items. So with that being said, let's get to it. Step 1. Press the start button once with your foot off the brake. Step 2. Press and hold the dash button for a few seconds, and this will display the service menu. Step 3. If you do not see the engine oil menu, press the dash button briefly to scroll through the different service options and find the engine oil. Step 4. To reset it, you need to hold the dash button, then it will come up on the display asking you if you want to reset. Step 5. Press and hold the button again, and it will show that the reset is in progress, and once successful, you're done. In this section, I will guide you on how to reset the oil service options on a BMW X6 or G06 from 2020 and onwards. So now all you need to do is: Step 1. Press the start button 3 times quickly and wait until your ignition to be in diagnostics mode. Step 2. Press and hold the BC button on the left lever for just about 15 seconds to bring you to the service reset mode. Step 3. Hit the BC button to scroll the different service items and find the engine oil options. Step 4. To reset it, you press and hold that same button until it asks you to reset. Step 5. Hold down the BC button one more time to confirm, and once that's complete, it should turn green and say reset successfully. So that's all you need to reset it. I just thought I'd share with you how actually to do that service reset, and this goes for any of those things. So if you have any service that you need to reset, that's how you do it as well. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and good luck.